know that stairs inside a home can be a great inconvenience and, very often, an insurmountable obstacle for elderly people, persons with reduced mobility, or simply when you get there laden down with shopping or your baby's pushchair. In these cases, installing a home lift makes a considerable contribution to your well-being while adding value to your property. Bearing this in mind, MP Lifts presents its MP Mobi and MP Mobi Home.
The ideal solution to make your home or your business more comfortable and accessible, removing architectural barriers to make easier the access to any space.
They offer solutions with a capacity for 2 to 13 people, with cars up to 110 centimetres width and 210 centimetres depth that can be adapted to almost any space. These lifts move at a speed of 0.15 metres per second and a rated load of up to 1,000 kilograms. Their appearance and functioning are identical to those of a conventional lift, since they always have a door in the car and all the components have been designed in accordance with lift standard EN 812, thus ensuring their safe and comfortable performance. The safety provided a car door eliminates the need to hold down the button throughout the travel. Moreover, it does not stop until it reaches its destination, so thus preventing the risk for passengers to be trapped between 2 floors. In the case of a power outage, the lifts are equipped with an automatic rescue system that will take the car to the nearest floor and open the doors, so you never get trapped. They are also available with the option of remote maintenance and a monitoring service with an emergency telephone number operating 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. MP Mobi and Mobi Home fit perfectly into any house or building since it requires minimum pit dimensions from 15 centimetres and reduced top floor height of only 240 centimetres. Range of finishes to ensure they integrate perfectly with the aesthetics of your home or business, and you will even have the option to customize it to your taste. MP Mobi and MP Mobi Home. Accessibility, safety, and comfort. MP Lifts. Moving people.